To verify your TikTok Shop account, follow these steps. Sign up or log in. If you don't have a TikTok Shop account yet, visit the TikTok Shop website or app and sign up as a seller. If you already have an account, simply log in. Business information. Provide all required business details, including your company name, registration number, and VAT information. This is essential for verification. Identity verification. Upload a government-issued ID to prove your identity. This step helps ensure you are a legitimate seller. Business documentation. You may need to provide additional documents like a business license or tax registration certificate, depending on your region. These confirm the legal status of your business. Bank account. Link a valid bank account or payment method to your TikTok Shop account for transaction purposes. Wait for approval. After submitting your details, TikTok will review your application. This process can take several days. Notification. Once your account is verified, TikTok will send you a confirmation message, granting you access to all selling and promotional features.